the spot-billed pelican.
Dark color,
Good morning. I am Thomas Mathi Balan from Perungulam. We are standing near Perungulam. This is one of the largest tank in Perungulam. If we compare take the other ponds in Thamirabarani river basin, this is the last pond, tail end pond of Thamirabarani river basin ponds. The uniqueness about this pond is when all the tanks will dry up during summer, except this Perungulam. Perungulam will have always water. So all the birds in Thoothukudi and Tirunelveli, all Thirungasi districts are flocked to this Perungulam for the survival during the lean months from August to September. That time it attracts early migrant birds as well as resident birds. This year's specialty is common coots, European common coots. They arrived in thousands in Perungulam. Behind me, you cannot see it, but there's a lot, big group is there in Perungulam. So this is a common coots population is migratory as well as residential population is there. Migratory population will supplement the local population during the wintering months. But I don't know why this huge gathering is happening in Perungulam. All the years it is not there. This is the first time we are recording so many coots in one place. Also, still migrant birds are still few birds are found in Perungulam. Particularly common wood sandpiper. Wood sandpiper. Wood sandpiper is a migrant bird from Europe, but still found in the paddy fields of Perungulam. Today morning also we are lucky to photograph a few birds. Also this Perungulam, since it's very important, government should give top priority to protect the water source as well as the rich flora and fauna it supports. The only pond where we can see a lot of submergible water plants grows inside the pond. So it attracts dabbling ducks, particularly coots, spot-billed ducks. All the migrant ducks prefer these ponds because of the plenty of food available in this pond. I hope this Perungulam will get due publicity, and it will have definitely one day it will have a very good point in Thoothukudi to visit birds and conserve birds in this region. Thank you.